Hello and welcome to another Needsportal tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to generate a quarterly timeline report. The quarterly timeline report is designed for technical assistants and administrators, but other users can also gain access. The quarterly timeline report provides similar information as a timeline report, but is different in some ways. The first being that you can select multiple counties. The second being that it includes summary data by year for 3 fidelity indicators. Number 1, days to start referral. 2, days to first SDMM, and 3, days to complete. It also includes bar graphs by year for the 3 fidelity indicators, as days to start referral, days to first SDMM, and days to complete, as well as more advanced search options. After logging into your Needsportal account, you can navigate the reports on the top right corner and click on the quarterly timeline. After you're on the quarterly timeline report, you can use the filter options to refine your search and make sure to click on apply. First, you can filter by your county. You can select the bar indicating choose some options and click on the first county. If you click on the box again, you can select other counties, and all will be included in the quarterly report. For this example, we will use 4 OSU use only county. Next, you can filter by multiple family roles, including mother, father, other adult, and child, shown on the screen. And only individuals with those roles in the news portal will be presented on the report. For this example, we use father and mother. Finally, you can filter by primary parent, where selecting true will only include primary parents in the report, and false will only include those that are not indicated by primary parents. Any will include all individuals enrolled in START. For this example, we'll include any. You can also filter by SACWS open date and referral date, as well as the advanced options where you can filter by SACWS case ID. After selecting apply, you will see the data available in a table format. However, you can also download an Excel document of the table by selecting the orange button to view results in an Excel document that includes formatting and charts to present data. This will be located on the bottom of the screen. Quarterly report tables will be organized by start referral date in chronological order, with date separated by years. At the top of the spreadsheet, all adult participants referred in a certain year have their own row. Children appear at the bottom of the spreadsheet, separated by referral year, and similarly, each have their own row. You can see key variables presented along the top columns in green, including SACWS case ID, program term ID, family role, county, caseworkers, SACWS open date, referral date, and fidelity indicators. Each column will show you the days of a particular fidelity indicator. For example, column H will show you each adult participant's days to receipt of their own code. When data is missing, they appear as unknown and are read in the quarterly timeline, as shown here. If any values are negative, they are presented in orange, as shown here. Below each year, you will see 4 statistics highlighted in yellow. There are numbers within a referral year meeting a target fidelity marker, total number of adult referrals in the year, average dates of fidelity marker for everyone within a given referral year, and percent compliance for being at or below the fidelity marker. Missing data is not included in these statistics. As you can see here in 2018, it's highlighted in yellow. This is the number within a referral year meeting the target fidelity marker, total number of adult referrals in the year, average days of fidelity marker for everyone within a given referral year, and percent compliance for being at or below the fidelity marker. This will be shown on the screen. Days to start referral, days to first STMM, and days to complete are the most important columns to pay attention to, given their importance in fidelity and certification. In column I, you can see days to start referral is expected to be 14 days or less, with the goal of 75% of cases meeting this. In column J, you can see days to first STMM is expected to be 4 days or less, with the goal of 60% of cases meeting this. In column N, you can see days to complete is expected to be 38 days or less, with the goals of 60% of cases meeting this. Only these columns will have the percent compliance calculated. The percentages are highlighted in blue, as you can see here on the screen. Average days fidelity markers that are larger than the percent compliance will also be highlighted in blue. You will see at the bottom for the children's statistics, the majority of child data will present as NA because this data is not collected for children. Only data and statistics for CTACs are available for children. The very bottom of the spreadsheet has a blue table. This table is organized with years along the columns. The columns also include a count for each year of the number of adults and children that were referred within that year. The three key fidelity markers of start referral, first STMM, and days to complete as percentages are on the row, shown here on the screen. These percentages should match what's found in the yellow highlighted rows for the corresponding year. For example, in 2018, the start referral was 66.67, the first STMM was 100%, and the days to complete was 0. We scroll up to the top. We can see that these numbers match. In column I, the days to start referral is 67%, the days to first STMM is 100%, and the days to complete is 0%. If you scroll to the right, you will see a bar chart. This bar chart has a percent compliance on the vertical axis and year on the horizontal axis. The blue bars correspond to start referral percent compliance. The red bars correspond to days to complete percent compliance, and the green bars will correspond to the first STMM percent compliance. Each year will have a blue, red, and green bar unless they have a percent compliance of 0 for any of this data. Then no bar will appear. As you can see here, for 2018. Percent compliance for each bar should match the statistic presented in the blue table in a yellow highlighted row. For example, 2018, we see that it's 66.67%, and this matches the bar. The first STM was 100%, as you can see here. The days to complete was 0%, which is not shown on the bar. Quarterly timelines can be used similarly to the timeline report for data quality assurance. It will provide information about data missing from the needs portal when data is presented as unknown. Unlike the timeline report, it does not include dates, so it will not be useful in determining which data is missing that results in days to calculations being unknown. Please use a timeline report if you're trying to determine this. Quarterly timelines can also let you know how your county data is meeting fidelity indicators as a whole, as opposed to just individuals. This is particularly helpful because it is easy to worry about the outliers to data, so dates that are far outside of the fidelity marker. However, it is more important to see these dates as a whole for the county, since most dates likely will be within the fidelity indicator, and the average of the county as a whole will not be as high as looking at an individual case. Finally, quarterly reports can help you determine if your county is on track towards certification. For certification, CFF is looking for counties to be within percent compliance goals for the three key variables of days to start referral, days to first STMM, and days to complete. If certain years are far below that percent compliance and missing data, it will be useful to make sure that those dates are entered to improve the percent compliance. It can also help you select counties which may serve as your second cohort within certification. As always, email the Needs Portal team at needsportal@oc.edu if you have any questions. Thank you.